This is the Tflipflop in which I implemented the 7480 seeds IC in order to construct it. In this case, the LED 0 is going to represent Q, and the LED 1 is going to represent the Q prime output. For the digital inputs, the digital input 0 is going to be T, and the digital input 1 is going to be C, our clock. So looking at the writer, 1 is going to be the clock, and 0 is going to be T. In the table for the behavior of the T flip-flop, we can see that when both C and T are low, both Q and Q prime are going to be high. So we're going to test it. Both C and T are going to be low. So when we run it, we're expecting both Q and Q prime to be high. And we can see that that's the case. For the next case, when C is high, we expect only Q to be high. So when C is high, we're only expecting Q to be high. And we can see that that's the case. For the next case, when T is high and C is low, we can see that Q and Q prime are going to be high. So C is low and T is high. We're expecting both Q and Q prime to be high. And we can see that that's what happens. For the next case, when both C and T are high, we're expecting Q prime to be high. So when both C and T are high, we're expecting Q prime to be high. And we can see that that's the behavior.